Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about a Java program which I've created, which it will takes in a string of paragraph, in a text file, as you can see right here. I have it open up that says I go to school every day. And then this program will takes in this paragraph and then go through every single word in this paragraph, and then it will find the longest, find the character. Find the word that have the most character in the paragraph, and then put an asterisk in front of it. So I'll show you the coding right here. So on top here, as you can see, I've imported a lot of the library from the Java. So let's go to the code down here. As you can see, the first class I have is called longest word, and then here I basically declare all my my array, the variable. I have array name output data, array name temp, which is temporary output data, and then another array which is called temporary input data. And then I have this one last variable called output, which is declared as string, which is empty. This is where I will be putting my output later on. So let's go to the logic itself. So here I have this method called longest word, which will take in the argument which is input file and then output file, which both will be string. And then for here you can see I have this try method, and then this, it will basically input my external input file. So as you can see, it is inputted and then scan all the information inside it. And then for this while loop, what this do is actually put the the text inside the input file into this temporary input data, which is an array right here. As you can see, my input data, temporary input data. And then what it will do is actually, it will count through all the words inside the paragraph, and then finding the longest, having the most character in the word. And then just call back the function right here. And then this is actually, as you can see, I've put a command right here, which is read file. What it means is actually all this logic right down here is actually to read the file. And then down here I have this output. The command I put here is output, which will basically do the output logic. So here I have this file output, which is where I'll be putting my array, my output in array form, and then I will later on convert it into string to be my output. So as you can see, I have a for loop right here, which it will do is actually to put an asterisk in front of the most character word in my paragraph. This is the for loop to do this. And then after we finished it, we must put a close to close the file, the input file. And then I have this catch method, which is an exception. What it will do is actually, if the file is not found, as you can see right here, either it's locked or not found, it will show right here, the output file is not found. And then this is the other exception, which is the input file is not found. I have this input.txt and then output.txt, which it will become, it will scan through all these words and then put an asterisk in front of this. In my case, it will be every day. I'll show you that later on. And then let's continue to the code right here. I have this to actually call back my function up here, my method up there. So what this will do is actually, counting the word, the actual logic of counting the word. As you can see, we'll get this current. This current is actually, the data inside my array. So it will count through, and then this temporary output data will be stored inside, which is an array. As you can see, I declared right here, temporary output data. And then here, the last main method, which is actually converting it back into string. So I'll show you how it runs right now. So let's go to the terminal to run this program. So as you can see right here, it says here, it finds me the longest word right here, which is everyday in my case, and then it will put an asterisk in front of this. So let's go to the output.txt file. It will basically show the same thing. I go to school every day with an asterisk in front of every day, which is the same as right here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.